Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the backup batteries on an Ihome alarm clock. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, first and foremost, I do want to apologize about my voice. I literally just woke up and it's still early in the morning, so I'm filming this video with this voice and I'm trying to keep my volume down so that I don't wake up my kids and my wife. So I'm just trying to do this really quietly in the basement, separated from the house. So just bear with me. So here is the Ihome alarm clock, okay? And if you go to the back of it, okay, you're probably going to find a spot where there's backup batteries. Now, these backup batteries serve a very specific purpose. Basically, if the power goes out or if it gets unplugged, if you have good backup batteries, it's going to hold the charge and hold the information and make sure your alarm still goes off. At least you hope so, right? So it's very important to change these and make sure that they are fresh batteries as often as possible. So it's very simple. You're going to look for a backup battery slot. We're going to open it up. So I'm going to slide it up just like that. Pull off the cover, okay? Here are the backup batteries. What you're going to do is you're going to take them out. Okay, just like this. And these are the ones that actually came with the Ihome alarm clock that I got. I got this many years ago. So they're definitely due for a change. So you're going to take them out like that. And then you're going to put new ones in. Now, I don't have new ones with me right now, but basically you're just going to get your new batteries and you're going to slide your new batteries in there, just like that. Yeah, and you're good to go. Put the cover back on and it's that simple. Now, quick note, you should try to use regular batteries. Don't use rechargeable batteries for this. You want to just use regular batteries so you can sort of change them out. Rechargeable batteries have a tendency to lose their charge over time and be able to charge less and less. So you want to use regular batteries so you can sort of get the maximum ability to sort of allow them to hold their charge for as long as possible. And that is it. I think this goes the other way, I believe. Yeah, I believe this goes this way. Maybe not. I think this goes this way. Oh, I slide it down. There you go. That's literally it. That is how to change the backup batteries on an Ihome alarm clock. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.